Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the campus of the AIMS Patinda in two parts. So guys, let's start from the first part itself. This is way to AIMS Patinda, that is the OPD, AIMS College and Hospital. You will surely find interesting to walk through the woodlands and the visiting beautiful campus. This is our college from outside, and this is the second main gate or the main entrance of the AIMS PTI. Let's enter the AIMS PTI campus. You will love to enjoy and seeing this video of the campus. Now I will show you the way to OPD and way to girls and boys hostel. The view of night shelter, the part of which is still under construction from inside. The building is ready, but the infrastructure is from inside and the interiors is about to establish. Now I will take you to the Ayush building. And the Ayush building The next thing that I would like to show you is our shopping complex. The building is ready, but again the problem is same. The construction part and the under construction part of the AIMS PTI. The colorful green campus. And the pleasant weather you can enjoy. Have a closer look at different shades just for the convenience, for the protection from sunlight. The scorching heat of Bathinda is just unbearable, so students and patients are facilitated for the protection. The medical college of the AIMS Bathinda, it has not been inaugurated yet, so I cannot show you from outside inside. I will show you it in my upcoming videos. This is the periphery or surroundings of our college. The furniture is brought up but not yet established. This is way to our college. It is our college from behind. Now I will take you to the OPD. The OPD of the AIMS Bathinda. This is our OPD, that is the outpatient department, and it is the flag hosted on 15th August, that is Independence Day, by our Honorable Director Sir. So now I will take you inside the OPD. Let's enter the OPD. The interior of our OPD is just wow. This is for the counter for patients. The medical college is located just opposite to the OPD. And the campus. The A and the B block, followed by C and D block. The cafeteria which is also under construction, but most of the part has completed its construction, and the IPD is also under construction. The guest house is just prepared, where we can stay with our parents. Really comfortable guest house. The guest house is followed by a director sir's residency. You can see this is our director sir's residency, protected by guard every time. This is view from inside. And the type 4 residency for our professors, associate professor and the assistant professors. The under construction part full staff members. The hostel for the working nursing staffs, that is nursing officers. The UG girls hostel for MBBS student. The working nursing hostel is just beautiful from outside as well as from inside, and the balconies, separate balconies are provided to them, but unfortunately we aren't. But we have common balconies. The next thing is the boys hostel, which is same in the infrastructure as well as the girls hostel, which is further followed by the nursing students. They also has the same infrastructure as that of MBBS students. The way to our dining hall, that is our mess. Have a look of our dining hall from outside. I will show you inside of our mess in my next video. Now I am going to show you the basketball court and the ground for the playing volleyball. Hostel from behind. Indoors like table tennis and many more things are established, and few will be established very soon. And the badminton court is outside the periphery of our hostel. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video, and visiting our campus would just be a great fun. The remaining thing I will show you in my upcoming videos. So bye.